Hello everyone, my name is Aniket Purkayastha. Today, I am going to share my views on Internet of Things, oftenly known as IoT. The topics which we are going to cover are: what is IoT, history of IoT, how IoT works, why IoT is important, examples of IoT system, benefits of IoT, pros and cons of IoT, security, a major concern, the future of IoT. What is IoT? The Internet of Things, or IoT, is a system of interrelated computing devices, mechanical and digital machines, objects, animals, or people that are provided with unique identifiers and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human to human or human to computer interaction. A thing in the Internet of Things can be a person with a heart monitor implant, a farm animal with a biochip transponder, an automobile that has built-in sensors to alert the driver when tire pressure is low, or any other natural or man-made object that can be assigned an IP address and is able to transfer data over a network. Increasingly, organizations in a variety of industries are using IoT to operate more efficiently, better understand customers to deliver enhanced customer service, improve decision making, and increase the value of the business. History of IoT. Kevin Ashton, co-founder of the Auto ID Center at MIT, first mentioned the Internet of Things in a presentation he made to Procter and Gamble in 1999, wanting to bring radio frequency ID to the attention of P&G's senior management. Ashton called his presentation Internet of Things to incorporate the cool new trend of 1999, the Internet. MIT professor Neil Gershenfeld's book, When Things Start to Think, also appearing in 1999, didn't use the exact term but provided a clear vision of where IoT was headed. Although Ashton's was the first mention of Internet of Things, the idea of connected devices has been around since the 1970s under the monikers embedded Internet and pervasive computing. How IoT works. An IoT ecosystem consists of web enabled smart devices that use embedded processors, sensors, and communication hardware to collect, send, and act on data they acquire from their environments. IoT devices share the sensors data they collect by connecting to an IoT gateway or other edge devices where data is either sent to the cloud to be analyzed or analyzed locally. Sometimes these devices communicate with other related devices and act on the information they get from one another. The devices do most of the work without human interventions, although people can interact with the devices, for instance, to set them up, give them instructions, or access the data. The connectivity, networking, and communication protocols used with these web enabled devices largely depend on the specific IoT applications deployed. Why IoT is important. The Internet of Things helps people live and work smarter as well as gain complete control over their lives. In addition to offering smart devices to automate homes, IoT is essential to business. IoT provides businesses with a real time look into how their companies' systems really work, delivering insights into everything from the performance of machines to supply chain and logistic operations. IoT enables companies to automate processes and reduce labor costs. It also cuts down on waste and improves service delivery, making it less expensive to manufacture and deliver goods, as well as offering transparency into customer transactions. IoT touches every industry, including healthcare, finance, retail, and manufacturing. What are some examples of Internet of Things? Everyday things, agriculture automation, embedded mobiles, energy consumption, security and surveillance, smart homes and cities, automobiles, building management, and many more. What are the benefits of IoT? The Internet of Things offers a number of benefits to organizations, enabling them to monitor their overall business processes, improve the customer experience, save time and money, enhance employee productivity, integrate and adapt business models, make better business decisions, and generate more revenue. IoT encourages companies to rethink the ways they approach their businesses, industries, and markets, and give them the tools to improve their business strategies. Pros of Internet of Things. Some of the advantages of IoT include ability to access information from anywhere at any time on any device, improved communication between connected electronic devices, transferring data packets over a connected network saves time and money. Automating tasks help improve the quality of a business, services, and reduces the need of human intervention. Some disadvantages of IoT include as the number of connected devices increases and more information is shared between devices, the potential that a hacker could steal confidential information also increases. Enterprises may eventually have to deal with massive numbers, maybe even millions, of IoT devices, and collecting and managing the data from all those devices will be challenging. If there's a bug in the system, it's likely that every connected device will become corrupted. Since there's no international standard of compatibility for IoT, it's difficult for devices from different manufacturers to communicate with each other. Security, a major concern. The Internet of Things connects billions of devices to Internet and involves the use of billions of data points, all of which need to be secured due to its expanded attack surface. IoT security and IoT privacy are credited as major concerns. In 2016, one of the most notorious recent IoT attacks was Mirai, a botnet that infiltrated domain name server provider Dyn and took down many websites for an extended period of time in one of the biggest distributed denial of services DOS attacks ever seen. Attackers gained access to the network by exploiting poorly secured IoT devices. Because IoT devices are closely connected, all a hacker has to do is exploit one vulnerability to manipulate all the data, rendering it unusable. Manufacturers that don't update their devices regularly or at all leave them vulnerable to cyber. The future of IoT. There is no shortage of IoT market estimations. For example, a few include Bain and Company expects annual IoT revenue of hardware and software to exceed $450 billion by 2020. McKinsey and Company estimates IoT will have an $11.1 trillion impact by 2025. IHS Markit believes the number of connected IoT devices will increase 12% annually to reach 125 billion in 2030. Gartner assesses that $20.8 billion connected things will be in use by 2020, with total spend on IoT devices and services to reach $3.7 trillion in 2000. So this was all about Internet of Things. Thank you.